Hi, everybody. This is Matt. I want to thank Jordan for some tremendous work that he gave and insights and tips and encouragement he gave in his various by 9 to 5 classes and online courses, but also for the mastermind group. I joined about halfway through the series started. So it started on, let's see, in June 17th of 2019. And this screen capture is recording from November 18th, 2019. And there were how many videos that day? There were 2 videos. So in the second video, around the 16-minute mark, Jordan gave some really good information and tips about affiliate ads, monetizing both in his set there. So he gave phenomenal tips throughout the entire course and encouragement both in the Facebook group as well as in the actual mastermind, but answered virtually all my questions, as long as I could type them in fast enough to get them to him. It was really helpful. If he didn't know something, he didn't know, but he researched it. But most of the time, 99% of the time, he was on point right there on the spot. Didn't have to research anything and gave some really good thoughts and tips. Was encouraging, took some suggestions we had and incorporated, made his course even better. So in addition to his original training that you're going to get from just him by himself, the Q&As that he got or was able to answer in these mastermind groups, fantastic stuff, and really gave some really encouraging information. Broke down channels, explained what was working, weird kind of unique situations, why something might have taken off when it otherwise wouldn't make any sense. Incorporated other third-party software packages, what to do, what not to do, which to get, which not to get, what he felt was his bread and butter, and where he would have expanded and gone into, what he would stay away from. So some fantastic value. And while the number of hours, of course, is a lot in this course, it's worth it. It's really worth it to go through and get educated on all aspects regarding YouTube marketing, whether it's client SEO, that you're adapting portions of Jordan's training, even though that the wheelhouse is more about monetizing and affiliate marketing. And of course, when it comes to YouTube ads and affiliate marketing, fantastic information. So definitely recommend Jordan's course, but I just wanted to show an example during the actual mastermind group from the November 18th, 2019 biweekly webinars around the 16-minute mark of this was just one of many aha moments and pieces of encouragement that Jordan gave along throughout the entire course. So definitely recommend his material and hope you learned from it as much as I did. Thank you.